Hey, I'm Caleb with Woodshop, and today we're going to be making a Hideaway cutting board. Let's check it out. Welcome to Woodshop. And making this really fancy clipboard shop kit box.
Roll Beans Woodshop cheer.
Making this awesome beer mug. You dead bird. I did not think that I was going to be making a Technic. I'm actually really happy with this. I think it looks really nice. On the original cutting board, I figured out that the front was held on with nails, so I'm just going to try to pry that apart. I'd like to reuse this. What I'm doing is I'm giving myself extra length just so I can have extra room for trimming. It's pouring rain now. What the fuck? It's time for my glue up, and this rain isn't going to help because it's going to make everything really humid, and the glue's going to take a lot longer to dry. Now, how about we all get something straight right here, right now? You know what water's meant for? Water's meant for drinking and for showering. Nothing else. That goes for swimming, too. I'm trying to make my parents a lovely new Hideaway cutting board. The rain's got to come along and be like, wouldn't it be cool if you didn't do that? Now with the board glued up, it'll be dry someday, maybe in like 1,000 years when the rain stops. The rain put a damper on things yesterday, so this is the next day now. We got much nicer weather. We've got some pretty bad ridges, so that's going to take a lot of work with the belt sander, so I'm just going to try to get some of that down. Now time for something I am better at. I told you it'd be a lot of sanding. The original pine cutting board. I want to go ahead and cut this thing to its final length. The front of the old board and glue and tack it back on to the new board. Oh, that walnut looks brilliant. Oil finish on there, it's nice and shiny. Not every cutting board we make has to be an end grain board. We kind of want to boast and brag about how great end grain boards are. Look, that is a very beautiful board. It looks gorgeous and it's long grain. Let's go put it in its hidey hole. The Hideaway cutting board is done. Parents love it. Goal achieved. I like that we used the original front because now when you put it in there, it blends away perfectly, and you would never know that beautiful board is just tucked away in there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also be sure to subscribe to Means Woodshop because I have new woodworking videos every Friday, probably except this next Friday. I'm taking the weekend off to spend with my wife and baby. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.